In today's video, we are using Bernette Softy Chunky yarn. It is a number 6, super bulky. For the crochet hook, you'll want to use an L hook, which is also an 8mm, and it also says size 11. I'm also using 80 grams of yarn, and this is my hook. I will link the written pattern. So we're going to pull out the yarn from the middle, and then we're going to make a slip knot. And this is how I make a slip knot and attach it to my hook. Just make a loop, very similar if you're loom knitting, and just put the hook in the middle of the loop and tighten it. And now I'm going to start making my chain, and I'm going to chain 44. Now, if you are new to crochet, I will have a separate video listed below on how to do a chain in crochet. So once you've made your 44 chains, you'll want to count them just to make sure you have the correct number. Also, make sure that the chain is not twisted. So now we're going to take our crochet hook and take the two ends of our chain, and we're going to place them together. We're going to make the slip stitch. So go through one stitch and then go through the next. So that's our slip stitch. Go ahead and tighten that slip knot area up if you need to, and just make sure that your chain is not twisted. So now we're going to chain 3. 1, 2, 3. So that counts as our first double crochet. Now we're going to find the next stitch right after our first double crochet, and it's right there. So we're going to go into that stitch next. So what I'm going to have you do is yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over again, pull through 1, yarn over again, pull through 2, yarn over again, and pull through 2 more. So there is our next double crochet. So we're going to continue working down the chain. So we'll find our next stitch right there, and we yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2 more. The yarn is kind of dark, but I think you can see where the next one is, right there. So yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over again, pull through 1, yarn over again, pull through 2, yarn over again, and pull through 2 more. Now you want to be careful with your tension. You don't want to make it too tight. So we're going to work in the next stitch. So yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over again, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2 more. And that starts by your foundation chain, your initial chain where we chained 44. You want to make sure that you're not doing that too tight. Continue making double crochets the entire way down the chain. Now we're at the end, so we have one more spot for a double crochet. So we're going to yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2 more. And now we're going to count our chain 3. 1, 2, 3. And we're going to place our slip stitch on the top of our chain 3. So here again, 1, 2, and 3. So take your needle and place it in that top third stitch there where you had your chain 3, and I'll show you how to add a stitch marker. Make sure you get both sides. Now again, we're going to do our slip stitch. So we're going to take our working yarn, yarn over, pull through the first 2, and then pull through the second one. Now don't worry about that little hole there. It will tighten up as we go. So again, don't worry. I'll show you at the end. So we're going to chain 1 now. So chain 1, and now we're going to do single crochets. Okay, so we are going to work in the first stitch, and we're doing single crochets. A single crochet, you're just inserting your hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over again, and pull through those 2 stitches. So our next one, we will work the next one down, the next stitch. So insert your needle, yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through 2. This is basically what a single crochet is. So just insert your needle, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 more. And if you look at the very top, you can see all the stitches that we're going to be going into. So again, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 more, and just work your way down. This is how it should be looking. We have our single crochet, then our double crochet, then where our initial chain was. So we'll go in the next stitch and continue the process. I'm just going to go nice and slow to make sure I'm showing my work so you can see exactly how I'm doing it. Okay, now we are back at our first single crochet. So we're going to do the slip stitch. As you can see, my stitch marker is in there. So I'm going to yarn over, pull through the first one and pull through the second one, and that is our slip stitch. Now we are going to do another row of double crochet. So we're going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and again we're going to work in that first stitch from where you did your chain 3. Before we do that though, we're going to add our stitch marker at the top of our chain 3. Now we're going to yarn over. We're going to yarn over, place our hook in the first stitch, yarn over again, pull through 1, yarn over again, pull through 2, yarn over again, pull through 2 more. That is our first double crochet. Now we'll go to our next one. The next stitch down the line, insert your hook, yarn over, and then insert your hook, yarn over again, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, and pull through 2 more. Yarn over, work in the next stitch, yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2 more. Continue doing these double crochets until you make it back to your stitch marker. All right, we've made it back to our stitch marker, so we're going to count up 3 stitches. And again, we're going to do our slip stitch at the top of the chain 3. So go ahead and do that. Pull through 1, pull through 2, and now we're going to chain 1. And then again, we're going to move our stitch marker. Now I'm going to start another row of single crochet. So keep making your way around until you get back to your handy dandy stitch marker. So we're going to continue this process of double crochet and single crochet until your cowl measures about 8 inches. So again, we're going to continue doing 1 row of double crochet and 1 row of single crochet until your cowl is about 8 inches, and that actually will about take up the entire skein of yarn. So now we're going to take a darning needle and sew our loose ends into the cowl. We're all done. It measures 8 inches. And we're just going to hide the tail and secure it. And we're going to do the same thing where we started our project at. After you're done sewing the ends in, you'll just want to give the yarn a cut where the tail is here, and that will do it for the crochet cowl. If you've liked this video, please give me a thumbs up and let me know. If you want to see more videos like this, let me know as well. And I will see you at the next one. Bye!